Good evening, mga ka-science or agham! Lagaw na! So for today's video, ang topic natin ay tungkol sa potential energy or problem solving and computation involving potential energy. Ano nga ba ang potential energy? Ang potential energy ay tinatawag natin na energy at rest or stored energy of non-moving object. Potential energy is based on its position, meaning to say, the higher the object from the ground, the higher the potential energy. Pero sa video na to, magpo-focus tayo sa computation ng potential energy. In mathematical equation, potential energy is equal to mass times acceleration due to gravity times height, where EP or PE is potential energy with the unit Newton meter or joule. M is for mass with the unit kilogram. G is acceleration due to gravity, meter per second squared. Tandaan natin na ang acceleration due to gravity ay constant. Ibig sabihin, hindi siya nagbabago depende sa location. So dito sa Earth, ang acceleration due to gravity ay 9.8 meter per second squared. Then, meron tayong H which is for height with a unit meter. If the mass of the loaded cart is 3.0 kg and the height of the seat top is 0.45 meters, then what is the potential energy of the loaded cart at the height of the seat top? Sa problem na to, ang given dito ay 3.0 kg which is the mass, height which is 0.45 meters, at meron tayong sinasabing acceleration due to gravity which is constant on Earth which is 9.8 meter per second squared. What is required here? Ano ang kailangan nating isolve? Kailangan nating kumputin ang potential energy. Para makuha ang value ng potential energy, gagamitin natin ang equation or formula na PE is equal to mgh, wherein potential energy is equal to mass times acceleration due to gravity times height. Solution, isa-substitute natin yung mga values na given. So, potential energy is equal to mass which is 3.0 kg times 9.8 meter per second squared, which is the acceleration due to gravity, times height which is 0.45 meters. Then do the computation, pwede kayong gumamit ng calculator. Any calculator will do, scientific calculator, ordinary calculator, or even yung calculator ng cellphone nyo. So 3.0 times 9.8 times 0.45, the answer will be potential energy is equal to 13.23 joules. Alright, so let us proceed to the next problem. An object of mass 37.0 kg is placed on a hilltop of height 78.0 meters. What is the potential energy? So on this problem, the given is mass, which is 37.0 kg, height which is 78.0 meters, and the acceleration due to gravity on Earth which is 9.8 meter per second squared. Ang required dito o ang kailangan nating kumputin ay ang PE or potential energy. Ang equation or formula para makuha ang potential energy, PE is equal to mgh. Potential energy is equal to mass times acceleration due to gravity times height. So solution, we need to substitute the values. Potential energy is equal to mass which is 37.0 kg times acceleration due to gravity which is 9.8 meter per second squared times height which is 78.0 meters. Let us do the computation. 37.0 times 9.8 equals, then times 78.0. Kailangan kasi natin siyang isa-isahin. And the answer will be potential energy is equal to 28,282.8 joules. Ang dali lang, di ba? Let's have the third problem. So this time, iba naman yung hinahanap dito. Let's read the problem. A box has a mass of 5.8 kg. The box is lifted from the garage floor and placed on a shelf. If the box gains 145 joules of potential energy, how high is the shelf? Sa problem na to, ang mga given ay ang mga sumusunod. Mass, which is 5.8 kg. Potential energy is equal to 145 joules. Acceleration due to gravity, which is 9.8 meter per second squared. Sa problem na to, ang kailangan nating isolve ay ang height dahil sinabi, how high is the shelf? So, meaning to say, it is pertaining to the height. Ang equation para makuha ang value ng height is H is equal to PE divided by M times G. Ibig sabihin, height is equal to potential energy divided by mass times acceleration due to gravity. So, let's substitute the value. Height is equal to 145 joules divided by 5.8 kg times 9.8 meter per second squared. So, paano na ang una nating gagawin? Sa una, kailangan muna nating i-multiply ang 5.8 at 9.8. 5.8 times 9.8 will be 56.84 kg meter per second squared. So now, pwede na nating i-divide kasi kailangan natin i-follow yung MDAS. Now, let's divide 145 joules divided by 56.84 kg meter per second squared. The answer will be height is equal to 2.55 meters. Actually, ang lumabas sa calculator ay may daming decimal places, pero kinuha lang natin yung first two decimal at ni-round off. So, the height is 2.55 meters. So, that is the last problem, mga ka-science or agham. Sana ay may natutunan kayo sa aming munting video. Huwag niyong kalimutan mag-like, share, comment, and subscribe sa aming YouTube channel. Bye!